Hello everyone, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you step-by-step process how we can easily change and delete partition in Windows 11. So what you want to do, pretty simple. So go to Windows, or like search, just click here and write disk management. Create and form. This is it, okay. And when you're right here, and then what you want to do is actually click on whatever drive you want, like let's say a Windows or Lenovo, and then delete volume. And then you just like delete it, and this is pretty much it, how we can delete the partition in Windows 11. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.